What's up, traders? So we're just going into the Silver Bullet session. I've highlighted a failure to displace on the 15-minute. So we've taken some liquidity on the 15-minute time frame, which was from way back there, a New York low from Thursday the 15th, sorry. And we failed to displace below it. We're closing back in the range. Created a fair value gap on the 1 minute, which is just being tagged. The optimal trade entry for the session is just above us. I've got a stop loss just below the low, and we've got an order block to help protect us. So hopefully price will come, take out this wick high. It's come back down quite aggressively while I was running through that analysis. And then clear out to take out the session high, is what I'm thinking. So quite an aggressive move down, a bit of consolidation. It's broken structure, it started pulling higher. So that's what we're emptying. 5 handles is just below the optimal trade entry. Order block on the 5 minute is just up here at the top of the optimal trade entry. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close half at 50%. I'm going to take 50% off, sorry, at 1-to-1 to make this risk free. I'll go on to the 1 minute so we can see better what's happening here. So that's 1-to-1. So I've closed half here at 1-to-1, which is also at 50% retracement. So just as it tapped the 1-to-1 there, I've closed 50% of the trade. So I'm now risk free. I'm going to let the rest run to the 5 pip take profit. The reason I've done that is there's been a lot of news. It's been a tricky week this week. So I just want to get risk free as quick as I can. So just to clarify, I'm not going break even here. I've just taken 50% of the trade off at 1-to-1 because I had quite a tight stop loss. So that way, obviously I'm only half risk now. So I've bagged half of the trade, half of it's left going. So if it gets stopped out, those two will cancel each other out and it'll be a net break even trade. If it does run to profit, then happy days. And that's take profit hit. Beautiful. So that's nice. So that worked out at better than a normal 1-to-1 trade. Just to show you, sorry, I should have had MetaTrader on. This is the MetaTrader setup. So that was the setup on MetaTrader. I should have had that live recording. Counting history. So yeah, we closed the initial partial was 115, which we closed, and then we closed $200, £200 even on this one as we hit take profit. It's nice to catch that live on stream. Really straightforward Silver Bullet entry. And again, I'll just run over the analysis before I stop the stream because it's quite a short trade, was that one. The basis for the trade was the fact that we have come down. We've swept liquidity from the New York low, which was the daily low of Thursday the 15th of June. We've not been able to displace below. This 15-minute candle was a big wick candle back into the range, so we've closed back inside to the range to the start of the Silver Bullet hour, and as the Silver Bullet hour opened up, we created this lovely fair value gap, which was tapped in nicely, pretty much zero drawdown, straight to the 5 handles. Quite a tight stop loss on this one compared to normal. Normally I would have had a 1-to-1, so a stop loss down here, but it didn't really make much sense to me. If we broke this, then we were going to go for the lower liquidity here, which was the previous weekly low. So I've gone for quite a tight stop, which allowed me to go risk-free quite early, and then ultimately we've hit the 5 handles. I'm just going to jump back in on here because I didn't say farewell properly. I'm kind of rushing at the minute because I've got to go pick the kids up. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider liking and subscribing if you're finding these enjoyable. Leave any questions down below in the comments section. It'd be great to get some feedback, and I'll be back again on Monday with some more market reviews and hopefully a few positive live trades. Cheers, guys.